Asa Farms. Our objective was to build a legacy poultry farm in this virgin land, actually a virgin forest. This is like in the middle of nowhere. Remember, I promised you guys I was going to walk you through out this journey of 1,000 miles, they say, begins with a single step. This one was definitely bigger than a single step. Pecking of the foundation is completed and we're going to start digging the foundation and making sure it's deep enough. Foundation is done, we're raising the pillars, making sure everything is solid. The walls are going up now. As you can see, our chief contractor is finishing the interior. And that's it. We're done with the building. Our first batch is here. Full maturity. Watch my other video to see how the first batch came into the farm and we brooded up onto maturity. Cleaning the brooder, getting ready to receive day-old chicks in the farm. That's our heating can. So we headed out to go get supplies for the farm. Boom, flat tire. We're trying to get the tire situation of the car sorted out. We're right here at Fumbot. As you can see, the tire is sorted out and another breakdown. Oh my God. We're going to go back again to the garage to make sure everything is working. So we're trying to get it fixed. We got the new parts. The mechanic is right there trying to work on the car and make sure everything is good. These are some of the challenges you face whenever you go and set up a farm in the outskirts of the city, and knowing that here in Cameroon there are no farm to market roads. The roads are very, very bad. I'm going to show you in another video how bad the road getting to Malandem is. Then we're going to head over and pick up our litter. That's the litter on a truck, and we are at the farm offloading the litter, and we're back again to pick up feed. And we're back in the farm making sure the brooding room is ready as we're expecting our day-old chicks. They are here. Those are the day-old chicks. We just got them from the supplier. That's from the breeding farm. And it's all loaded and ready. We are going to be taking off to the farm shortly. And so we're headed to the farm. We're all ready. The birds are here in the farm. We are trying to make sure everything is perfect. We are going through each crate one after the other, taking out the chicks, checking, making sure we don't have any mortalities in place during transportation. This is a very, very delicate phase to go through. We had a situation where one of the crates was oversaturated with birds. So these crates are supposed to have a maximum of 50 birds each, but this supplier for some reason overcrowded two of the crates, and right now as we speak we already are recording 37 mortalities on day one. This is one of the difficulties and the major challenges with brooding and with the broiler farming. However, it's part of the business, right? It's not always just fun and games all the time. We also have difficult situations like this. We're making sure the birds are disinfected properly, the biosecurity is in place. The birds were vaccinated from the breeder farm. However, we're going to still give them a vaccine from day one and making sure they are all good. About the vaccines for these birds, I've covered them in another video. Comment and I can, send that to you personally. We're trying to make sure that the birds are in good condition before we get them into the brooder, where we're going to start our journey from 1 to 45 days. So you see, those that have already gone through the biosecurity check and the vaccination, they are right here in the brooder. We're making sure the brooding temperature is optimum. As you can see, those heating cans are already in place, and the guys are almost done with getting the birds from the crates into the brooding room. The birds are already very active. They are learning how to eat. At this point, there's something you have to you have to note. This these birds, they don't really know the difference between litter and the feed. So it's very risky brooding this quantity. We went with 2,000 birds, and it's a lot. Getting brooding paper in Cameroon for this quantity of birds is really difficult. So we are taking the risk, and we're going with the without the brooding paper. So we're trying to make sure there's no mortality. The birds are moving, they're healthy. So our chief engineer is just trying to push them away and make sure there's none of them is immobile after having gone through the biosecurity protocols to get into this brooding section. So far, the birds are doing good. It's showing great signs. For day one, they're this active, which means it's a good sign. And if you look at the water is having what we call anti-stress. They have gone through a lot of stress coming from the breeder farm, and then us transporting them to the farm. So we have to start giving them anti-stress at this point in time to make sure that the birds are not stressed, and so they can start eating. I'm going to stop here for now. Click the like button, share and comment, follow for more.